Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the KAIGERR LX 15 Pro gaming laptop, a 15.6-inch machine built to balance performance, portability, and everyday versatility. This laptop is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor with 8 cores and strong boost speeds, making it capable of handling multitasking, productivity work, and casual gaming with ease. Paired with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, it delivers smooth performance when running multiple apps, browser tabs, or creative software. Storage comes in the form of a fast 512 GB NVMe SSD, which means quick boot times, fast application launches, and enough space for games and files. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display offers clear visuals and good color, making it suitable for streaming, light editing, and immersive gameplay. You also get modern connectivity with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, HDMI, USB ports, and Type-C support, giving you flexibility for peripherals and external displays. Keep in mind, it uses integrated Radeon graphics, so while it handles casual and esports titles well, it's not designed for ultra settings in demanding AAA games. Overall, this is a solid all-around laptop offering strong value for gaming and productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.